Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening an Adobe contributor account and verifying your Adobe ID. This unlocks the upload portal. Once done, assemble a curated set of 20 to 50 marketable images in JPEG sRGB at full resolution. Make sure each file follows Adobe's technical specs. You will need signed model and property releases attached to relevant photos, plus concise titles and keywords ready. This first step prevents delays in review and immediately positions you for faster approvals and sales exposure. You now upload using Adobe's Web Uploader or FTP for large batches. Keep file names consistent to track versions. After upload, add 10 to 25 relevant keywords per image, placing the most important search terms first so Adobe's algorithm weighs them higher. Then choose precise categories and subcategories to increase discoverability. Make sure releases are properly attached to each applicable image and double-check metadata for typos. Accurate keywords and categories directly affect how buyers find and license your work. You finalize by selecting contributor settings for rights and understanding Adobe's royalty split. Pricing is platform-driven, so focus on volume and exclusivity choices to influence earnings. Once live, monitor analytics to see which images sell, update keywords, and upload fresh content frequently to stay relevant. If an image is rejected, read Adobe's feedback carefully. Often it's a technical or metadata error. Correct the issue, attach missing releases, then resubmit. This loop of review and iteration improves acceptance rates and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.